Hi everyone, this is Sinan from GetInspected again, and we took the car outside. This is another video doing a walk around outside, and my god, it looks better outside than indoors. Engine is running, it's idling. Borla exhaust is quieter than I expected. It's actually a very nice, very good sound. All right. No warning lights. Engine rev. Oil pressure is good. Temperature is alright, it's still warming up. Battery voltage or alternator charging system voltage is good. I'm gonna turn on the AC now. Just to see the functionality of it. And we'll go on the outside. We'll pop the hood. There she is, alive and breathing. Air conditioning, as you can see, it's cycling through the access hole. The temperature outside is not too bad today. I think it's +6 degrees. All closed up. Taking a look at the interior panels under the sun, you can see the seats are in good condition. I don't know if the microphone can pick up the noise, but it's beautiful. The exhaust note on the Borla exhaust is great. We're gonna try to rev the engine. Very nice. That's water from condensation that you see on the inside of the exhaust tailpipes. It rattles like a snake, like a viper should. All right, and we're about to take it for a test drive. This is a stock version. We did a heavily modified version, a 2003, just a few days ago. You can see it on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook page as well for pictures and videos. This has been Sinan from Car Inspected, and that was a pre-purchase inspection on this Dodge Viper RT10 model 1999. Thank you for watching.